Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing great. I am also fine by the grace of the Almighty. Today is my today is my birthday, so I am super excited today. I am more than happy today. So I'd like to make a special video for you, which is Bangla to English. ভিডিওটা আশা করি সবার ভালো লাগবে। যেমন আমি মোটা, I am fat. আমি মোটা ছিলাম, I was fat. আমি মোটা হব, I will be fat. আমি মোটা হচ্ছি, I am being fat. আমি মোটা হচ্ছিলাম, I was being fat. আমি মোটা হতে পারবো, I will be able to be fat. আমি মোটা হয়ে গেছি, I have been fat. That's all about today's topic. Thank you very much for being with me. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.